are all along the west side of it. The view looking west is a little bit more industrial. It's really not as much to see that direction. Ahead of us on your left-hand side is a building with a pink brick facade. It is the Fulton House, completed in 1908 by Frank Abbott for use as a cold storage warehouse. And the building served that purpose for many years. They actually kept meat inside of that building. Then in the 1980s, the architect Harry Weiss decided to make this building the city's first conversion project from warehouse space into residential space. Weiss was met with some challenges here. He had to wait 1 year for the walls of that building to defrost. Once the walls defrosted, he had to scrape away truckloads of horsehair that lined the interior walls. It was originally used as insulation. And then he had to find a way to cut through these walls to create every window and balcony you see on its facade today. If you take a look at those balconies, you can really get a sense for how deep the walls are here. Weiss came back just a few years later to complete the River Cottages. Also on your left-hand side, Harry Weiss was a great architect and a very accomplished sailor, so his love for all things nautical really came through here. There are 4 residential units. They all have spiral staircases, which are meant to remind you of lighthouses, as well as elevators to help residents move around in there. Each one has its own boat slip, and if you're able to look over your shoulder as we come out from underneath the Kinsey Street Bridge, if you look back at the roof of the cottage, you'll see it's so steeply sloped. It makes it look like a sail on a sailboat with a little porthole at the very top. Weiss was building in this area before anyone else. When he completed those designs, the Chicago River wasn't anything like what we're experiencing today. The water quality was very poor at that time.